How to embed Google Forms on Wix website. So I have in here this Google Forms that I want to add to my website. What I need to do is just click on this send option right here and then click on this icon, which is the embed icon. So we have in here this embed HTML. Just click on this copy option right here in order to copy it. Now, once it's been copied, you need to head over right here to your Wix website and then click on this plus icon. Now, once you click on this, just click on this search and then search in here for HTML. Now, once you have searched for that, it should be able to show you some results and it's under the embeds right here. So we have in here this embed HTML. Just click on this plus icon right here. Or you can just drag it to the page as well. So while that's adding, it will actually show up right here. So what we can do in this one is we just need to enter the code. You can also just paste it right here. Then click on this update option. And then it will ask what's in the embed. So for example, you can add some alt text. Like for example, let's put in here forms. Now, once that's added, you can head over and then close it right now. And then you can just put it right around here and then just drag it and then position it on how size you want it to be. So for example, let's make this one bigger by just clicking on this circle thing right here. And as you can see, here's now our form. So that's how you embed Google Forms on Wix website. Hope you helped.